Welcome back to Nicko's Kitchen, and here's how you make Boston Market's meatloaf at home. Firstly, make the hickory ketchup. Into a medium saucepan, combine 1.5 cups of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, a half a teaspoon of white vinegar, an eighth of a teaspoon of salt, an eighth of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and an eighth of a teaspoon of onion powder. Mix well and bring the mixture to a bubble over a medium heat. Then reduce the heat and simmer for 5 minutes and leave to cool slightly. Into a large bowl, get started on the meat mixture. Add 1 pound each of ground beef and pork, then add half a cup of plain breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of dried onion flakes, a half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter of a teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper, and 3/4 of a cup of the hickory ketchup we made before. Mix well until combined. Press the meat into an 8x4 loaf tin using a spoon or spatula. Even out and press down to compact slightly. Cover with foil and place into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Remove from the oven and discard the foil and drain the excess fat and spread over a quarter of a cup of the hickory ketchup on the top. Place back into the oven uncovered for a further 20 to 25 minutes. Remove and rest for 10 minutes in the loaf tin. Again, drain any excess fat and then remove the loaf and slice. Serve with extra hickory ketchup and mashed potatoes and green beans. Boston Market's home-style meatloaf you can now make at home, and it's one of the best meatloaves you'll ever have. Now all we have to do is get stuck into this bad boy.